In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore or recover your StanStore password. If you've been locked out of your account, don't worry. As long as you still have access to the email you used to sign up, you can get back in with just a few simple actions. I'll walk you through the entire process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to the StanStore login page, just like you normally would when signing in. On that login screen, you'll see the usual fields for your email and password. Right underneath those fields, look for a link that says "Forgot your password." Go ahead and click on that. When you click the link, the page will reload and you'll be taken to a password reset form. Here, you'll see a single field asking for your StanStore email address. This must be the same email you used when you created your StanStore account. Carefully type that email into the field, double check it for any typos, and then click the submit button. After you submit, look near the top of the page for a notification. You should see a message confirming that an email has been sent with instructions to reset your password. If you see that, you're ready for the next part. Now, open a new tab or window and go to your email inbox. Make sure you're checking the correct email account, the one you just entered on the reset page. Give it a moment, then look for a new email from StanStore. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh your inbox, and if necessary, check your spam or promotions folders as well. Once you find the email, open it. Inside, you'll see a clear call to action button labeled Reset Password. Click that button. This will open a new web page that takes you back to StanStore, specifically to a secure password reset page. On this page, you'll see two fields. In the first field, enter the new password you want to use. Choose something strong and unique, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. In the second field, re-enter the exact same password to confirm it. Make sure both entries match. When you're confident everything is correct, click the Reset Password button. If everything was entered properly, your password will be updated, and you can now log back into StanStore using your email and the new password you just created.